REM नंबर 4 2011 एक साइंस फिक्शन, एक्शन और थ्रिलर फिल्म है। इसकी कहानी एक ऐसे नौजवान की है जो एक दूसरे सैयारे से जमीन पर आता है और अपनी गैर मामूली ताकतों को दुश्मनों से छुपाता है। जैसे जैसे इसकी ताकतें बेदार होती है, इसे अपनी शनाख्त, दोस्तों और पूरी इंसानियत की हिफाजत के लिए खतरनाक दुश्मनों का सामना करना पड़ता है। What a day it was when I used to wait for this movie to come on TV. I had watched it 3 times, and every time I felt that no matter how many times it was watched, it felt new and fresh. It was the best movie of its time. The story is about John Smith, who, while fleeing from the planet Venus, is living in hiding. His protector, Henry, comes along to ensure John's safety in time. John had already joined a school in Ohio and made new friends, and that's where he found true love. John's life was already full of turmoil, but Sarah came and brought about the perfect end. Actually, John had powers within him that the enemy never wanted to touch. On one hand, there was a cute romance, and on the other,